I
I used to watch your video, it's so good. You are so good in acting. I really love it.
yeah, I know different story, my friend.
Okay.
You take me below the some people get me different story, my friend.
You want to come to Shillong?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, then maybe later I will bring you to Shillong.
And yeah. I'm very lucky today. Get me different story, my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, I know different story, my friend. I'm very lucky tonight.
Okay.
Coconut.
So today you went to Zamwang.
Oh, yeah, that's slang. Slang. Yeah, I know different slang. You get me. You got it live for you, my friend.
I really don't understand your English.
Yeah,
I need to prove my English.
Approve by you. Duck in for you. But access me. You get me. You take me below. You no, you don't get me.
Okay, I will bring you along with me. When
Yeah.
I go Shillong. Okay?
Slang.
Oh, Shillong. Okay.
Slang.
You want to
Yeah.
go Shillong.
China rude.
By the way, do you know how to speak in Khasi?
Speaking get me. Chị học gì giống thế á? Khi ngồi thì rồi slang.
Okay. When you will make new video, okay?
Video game say get me the video. You take me below. Get me. You take me below me.
And how they should
What me do?
team là nghe hẳn để sẽ
You take me below. You get me. I don't do. Speaking get me the very sorry, my friend.
Sấy nói sự
You vội sụ. Now你看vội卡，下边vội卡嘅卡 push。
No, it's part.
Fight. Fight. Get me. Fighting get me push. So you take me below there. Push.
No, yes. Push is
Name. You give me. Yeah. Yeah. I see. Get me the first one. Push.
Okay.
Yeah. I know fence for you. Take me below.
Okay.
I don't get me the fence for my friend.
Okay.
Till take me below.
Okay.
Yes, the fence is coconut. Tin root.
Okay.
Slang. Slang. Itu silong ni lah.
Okay.
Okay.
I will post long.
Yes, I'm very lucky tonight. Get me the fence. Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Yeah.
You sleep well. So when I come back to Mizoram, we can meet. I also want to take a picture along with you so that I can post in my social media. Because I know that you are so popular.
Population, get me the fence for my friend.
Okay.
Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. You tell me. Akartala.
Okay.
Dam cerah.
Dam cerah. I saw but to go and get me the fence for so but
Somewhere that we can use English. You can't use English.
Yeah, I know. You get to get it out, Gary. Okay. About car book.
Okay.
God Mura. He'll tell me below the God Mura fish. Get me at sup. Get me the fence for him, but yes, I know. You take below something for you. Get me. Take me below. Get me the fence for him, my friend. Fish. Get me. Hen. Dog. The dog. Monkey. Crack. Some people get me. Mizoram. Agartala di Manipur.